Today we'll be doing a quinoa salad, avocados, sauteed cabbage, cherry tomatoes and lime. This is a very nice and light, healthy salad, a great idea for a lunch box. We've soaked about a cup of quinoa and you bring the water to boil. Say about 2.5 cups of water to a cup of quinoa. Once the water is boiling, we add the quinoa to the water. Just season with a hint of salt and a little bit of olive oil, just a touch, to prevent the quinoa from sticking to each other. I prefer doing the quinoa in an absorption method so that all the nutrients remain within the quinoa. Some beautiful red cabbages are in season. Just about half a red cabbage. Cut them into fine juliennes. Chop some beautiful lemon thyme. It adds a very nice citrusy aroma to the salad. So once you find fish eyes forming on top of the pot, you close the pot and then put it on a slow heat for the quinoa to cook through. This would take about 15 to 20 minutes for a cup of quinoa approximately. Once the quinoa is done, we'll put it on a tray and flatten it out for the quinoa to cool quickly. We'll add olive oil and then fluff it up with a fork. For the sauteed cabbage, heat the pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil, add the cabbage, the lemon thyme and saute it. Finish it off with cider vinegar. Season it with some sea salt and cracked pepper. Remember to season just enough, as there are layers of seasoning in the quinoa salad. So now the quinoa is nice and cold and beautiful fluffy quinoa. Just season it one more time with a little bit of salt and pepper. There's already olive oil in the quinoa, so you gently mix it in and then place it in a jar. This is a perfect lunch salad. We have some nice and luscious avocados. Scoop them out and cut them into chunks. There is some nice beautiful cherry tomatoes as well. So you layer the jar with some cabbage, sauteed cabbage with cider vinegar, the quinoa, chunks of avocado, squeeze some lime to prevent the avocado from oxidizing. Leave a wedge of lime and top up with some cherry tomatoes. A nice light and healthy salad, quinoa with sauteed cabbage, avocado and cherry tomatoes.